We have to calculate the value in this question. Value of x will be what? Use this trick which will work in this question, otherwise it is very difficult to solve and about 99% will fail to solve it. So let us come to find the value of x. Solution will be 10 for x plus 100 for x divided by 10 raised to power x is equal to 1001. So 100 make factors, we will get 10 for x plus it will be 10 multiplied by 10 for x divided by 10 for x is equal to 1001. Now separate powers of these two numbers. We will get 10 for x plus 10 for x, 10 for x. Note that here we have used the formula if we have a b for n equals a for n, b for n. So here we have used this formula. Now we can take common because here is plus, these are two terms, so we can take common. Which will be common? 10 raised to power x, so it is taken as a whole common, so here we will get 1, and here is 10 for x, 4 divided by 10 for x. In right hand side we have 1001. Now next step will be cancellation. This will be cancelled with this one, so we will get 1 plus 10 raised to power x is equal to 1001. Now shift this one to right side. We will get 10 for x is equal to 1001 minus 1. What will be right hand side? It will be 1000. Now we have to make bases same, so 10 for x will be equal to 10 for 3. Okay, now as bases are same, so they are being cancelled, so we will get x is equal to 3. That will be our required value of x. I will request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.